Alright, what's your name?
My name is Sam.
How are you today?
Happy.
So can you tell me how many types of dairy products did we learn?
4.
What are they?
Yogurt.
Yogurt,
Butter.
butter,
Cheese.
cheese,
Milk.
milk. Alright, so what do dairy products come from?
Dairy products come from milk.
Good. What does milk come from?
Milk come from
Come from
cow.
cow. Alright, so what kind of product is yogurt?
Yogurt is a
Is a
dairy product.
What kind of product is butter?
Butter is a dairy product.
Bye bye. Thank you. Good job.